Movistar Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Movistar plans and products are in the description. Movistar is one of the largest and most well-known mobile operators in Spain and Latin America, offering a wide range of mobile services for individuals, families, and businesses. Movistar provides flexible plans, including postpaid, prepaid, and data-only options, making it suitable for different usage needs. Features like unlimited calls and texts within Spain, large data allowances, and the ability to add international roaming options make Movistar an attractive choice for travelers and heavy data users. Their mobile services are supported by one of the most extensive 4G networks in Spain and several Latin American countries, with a growing rollout of 5G in key cities. One of Movistar's biggest strengths is its reliable network coverage. In Spain, Movistar offers excellent 4G and 5G connectivity in major cities and rural areas, ensuring high-quality mobile experiences even in remote regions. The company also offers exclusive services such as Movistar Plus for streaming TV and movies, making it an ideal option for customers who want a comprehensive telecom solution. Additionally, Movistar is renowned for its customer service, which is generally considered to be responsive and helpful, especially in comparison to other providers in the region. However, Movistar does have some weaknesses. While the network coverage is extensive, its prices tend to be higher than some competitors like Vodafone and Orange. This can make Movistar a less appealing option for budget-conscious users. Another downside is that the availability of 5G coverage, although expanding, is still not as widespread as some other providers, limiting access for customers outside of major cities. Overall, Movistar is a strong contender for those looking for high-quality mobile services, robust network coverage, and value-added services like entertainment streaming. It's ideal for users who prioritize a reliable network and comprehensive customer support, but those on a tighter budget may want to explore more affordable options. Check the links in the description for the latest Movistar plans and offers.